If you watched our last episode about Paris, you might be thinking, okay, I get it. I was warned about rude waiters and pigeons. You didn't get it at all. Paris was the tutorial. Paris was the warm-up. Paris is where they treat you with silent disdain. Rome. Rome. Rome is where chaos swallows you whole. They sell you the eternal city, the cradle of civilization, La Dolce Vita. Let me be your tourist marketing translator. Eternal city is the time you'll spend in line at the Vatican Museum. Cradle of civilization is what they call a field of hot, dusty rocks that cost 20 euros to enter. And La Dolce Vita, that died in 1960. The sweet life is now paying 9 euros for a radioactive blue gelato that tastes like chemicals. Welcome to Don't Visit Europe, the only place that gives you the truth about your dream vacation. I'm your guide, and today we're going to dissect why Rome is the ultimate tourist trap. It's the city where ancient history and modern incompetence collide in a beautiful and noisy explosion of trash, horns, and hidden fees. You're not coming on vacation. You're coming on a survival mission. You're gonna fight the heat, the crowds, the plastic centurions wanting 50 euros for a photo, and your own sense of sanity. I've been there. I paid the coperto. I almost lost an ankle. And I'm back to stop you from making the same mistake. Before we enter the Colosseum of frustration, what's your biggest fear in Rome? Being eaten alive by mutant seagulls or being run over by an electric scooter? Comment below. Now hit like if you've ever personally been victimized by an unsolicited bread and cutlery charge, the coperto. Share to save a friend from a carb meltdown, and subscribe. You're going to need emotional support. And if you think I'm exaggerating about the coperto story, wait until you see what they consider authentic food. Let's start with the big one, the Colosseum. It's a stadium, a big, broken 2,000-year-old stadium. You will wait 3 hours. Not maybe wait, you will wait. You will stand in 40-degree heat, that's 104 Fahrenheit, with zero shade. The Roman Empire did not invent shade. They invented concrete and ways to kill people, but not shade. You pay 18 euros to get inside and see the inside. More rocks. Then you go to the Roman Forum. This is the cradle of civilization. It's a field. A very large, very hot, very dusty field of broken rocks. You can't touch anything. You're just hot. You could have Googled it. It would have been faster, cheaper, and air-conditioned. What's worse? Team 3-hour queue in the sun Colosseum or team pay to see rocks? Vote for your favorite tragedy. The Vatican. A different country. A country whose primary export is lines and dress codes. You must cover your shoulders and knees. It's the hottest day of the year, but God apparently hates shoulders. So you buy a 10 euro paper scarf from a guy on the street. And you enter the museum. It's not a museum. It's a human conveyor belt. A 3-mile-long hallway of 50,000 sweaty people, all moving as one single miserable organism, breathing the same air. You finally reach the Sistine Chapel. It's beautiful. You can't see it. You are being pushed. You cannot stop. You cannot sit. And large men are yelling, "Shh!" and "No photo." It's the most stressful spiritual experience you can buy. Sarcastic poll. What's the biggest sin in the Vatican? The 4-hour queue or the anti-shoulder fashion police? Vent below.
But the food, you must eat the carbonara. So you sit at a charming piazza, you order the 25 euro pasta, and the gelato, if it's bright blue, if it's piled high like a fluffy mountain, it's not gelato, it's air, chemicals, and sadness. And when the bill comes, surprise, the coperto, a fee for existing, a fee for the breadbasket you didn't ask for and didn't eat. It's institutionalized theft. What's the most expensive and disappointing tourist meal you've ever eaten? We want the details and the prices. But food isn't even the quickest scam. Wait until we talk about street scams.
Getting around Rome. The sidewalks are paved with San Pietrini, cobblestones. They are not charming. They are ankle breakers. They were designed by the Roman Empire to destroy weak ankles and modern luggage. Your suitcase will not survive. It will die on day one. The buses? They are suggestions. They run on a schedule of maybe, or if the driver feels like it, you just run and pray. Transport rivalry. Which is worse? Team Roman cobblestones or Team Paris Metro? Let the battle of failed infrastructure begin.
But the internet said, go to Trastevere. It's the real Rome, mocking. Yes, it was 30 years ago. Now Trastevere is just a theme park. It's the Epcot Italy pavilion, but more expensive. Every restaurant is the same. Every menu is the same. It's where you go to eat bad pasta with 500 other tourists who also read the same travel blog. There is nothing authentic about it. It's the Montmartre of Rome, a beautiful illusion designed to extract your money. Dilemma: would you rather eat at the tourist menu, Colosseum, or eat at the influencer menu, Trastevere? It's the same microwave.
Paris has scams. Rome has art. They perfected it. You cannot just look at a ruin. You are in a constant state of defense. The friendship bracelet guy, the petition for deaf children clipboard girl, the I'll help you with the train ticket machine guy, and the gladiators. They are not charming. They are aggressive men in plastic armor. You take one photo, and they will hunt you down for 50 euros. This is not a vacation. This is a level from an RPG video game. Confessions. What was the most obvious tourist scam you or your friend almost fell for? Be honest. This is a safe space.
Do you want romance? You go to the Trevi Fountain. It's not a fountain. It's a mosh pit. A chaotic pit of people fighting to throw a coin over their shoulder, probably hit another tourist in the head. You cannot get close. You cannot get a photo without 800 strangers in it. It's madness. Then the Spanish Steps. Also beautiful, except you cannot sit down. It is illegal. You sit for 1 second to catch your breath, and a man in a uniform, the whistle police, will yell at you. You cannot rest. This is not a vacation. This is an endurance test. Time for the final battle. Paris or Rome? Which city wins the crown of disaster? Fight in the comments.
So there it is, Rome, the eternal city. Eternally chaotic, eternally noisy, eternally hot, and eternally trying to take your money. You came for the history, but the only story you'll tell is about how you survived the Vatican queue and how your suitcase broke on the cobblestones. You came for the food, but you ate more microwave pizza than you did in college. You came for the romance, but you can't even sit on the Spanish Steps without being kicked out by a whistle. Seriously, if you heeded all our warnings, the queues, the crowds, the scams, the heat, the broken ankles, and you still want to visit Rome, explain why in the comments. Are you a historian? Are you related to a gladiator? Did you lose a bet with danger? I really need to know. Final call to action. Do your nervous system a favor. Don't go. Watch Gladiator in your air-conditioned living room. If you agree that La Dolce Vita is dead, smash the like button. Share this with someone who thinks Rome is all about pasta and love. Save that person's sanity and ankles. And for Jupiter's sake, subscribe.
Because if you think Rome is chaotic and Paris is rude, wait until next week. We're going to face a place where chaos is organized, the weather is a liquid depression, and the food is beige. Yes, we're going to London. Prepare your umbrellas and your bank account.